Geordie Conrad. I'm the co-CEO at Conrad Group, and what we set out to do was take the Backpackers Hostel, which has been a fixture at the King and Spadina corner for, at this point, a couple of decades, and transform it into a kind of modern building where we could have people come in, learn about technology, communicate with people with technology, bring in speakers, workshops, seminars, and then at the ground level, build a new coffee concept where people could get that caffeine, start their day, and start their kind of creative technology process. 460 King is the new Toronto headquarters for Brainstation. Brainstation is a business that teaches people about digital technology. The majority of the building is dedicated to classroom, event, and seminar space. Brainstation was very, very rapidly outgrowing its previous space. There was way more programming than we could ever actually fit into the space, and so for us, this was a kind of the next leg of the journey to actually house ourselves in a place where we could have the people and the events in at the same time and have everyone fit in one space. Quantum Coffee is about two different things. It's about making great coffee and also looking at how technology can merge into that process. We really encourage people to come down and see our pour steady machine. It's a great way to make coffee. The biggest problem is that it takes a really long time. And so if you can imagine King and Spadina, this busy corner, the idea of doing pour over coffee doesn't seem like a great fit until we found the pour steady coffee pouring robot. For people who aren't familiar, some people call it the Japanese tea ceremony approach to coffee preparation, but it's a long process where you manually pour in concentric circles water through grinds. And so when you look at how we make coffee, all the way from the beans to the water to how it's subsequently poured, we've looked at how do you get the best technology involved in it while staying really true to the coffee process. For us, success with this building and success with the project as a whole is really about making this a place where King West and Toronto broadly, the community of creative people and technology people can meet, can intermingle, can talk about things, and can come to learn. And so for us, I think that success is measured in what people's reaction to the building is and what kind of dialogue and events it sparks.